Good morning to all. Let's start the class. New chapter, chapter 12, simple interest. Introduction. Sometimes we need to borrow money from a bank or a money lender for a specified period of time. At the end of this period, we have to pay back the money which he had borrowed plus some additional money for using the lender's money. In this connection, we use the following terms. Principal. The amount borrowed is called the principal or sum. Interest. The additional money paid by the borrower is called the interest. Amount. The total money paid by the borrower to the lender is called the amount. Formula for amount is principal plus interest. Rate. The interest on rupees 100 for 1 year is known as the rate percent per annum. Per annum means 1 year. Simple interest. If interest is calculated uniformly on the original principal throughout the loan period, it is called simple interest. Now some formulae. Let principal be rupees P, rate is R% per annum, time is T years. Then SI equal to P into R into T upon 100, where SI stands for simple interest. From this formula we have, for finding the P, what you have to do, simple interest multiply 100 upon R into T. Here for finding the R, 100 into SI upon P into T. For finding the T, 100 into SI upon P into R. So how we have to use this formula in solving the questions? Let's come to the exercise so that you have to understand easily. Exercise 12a. Find the simple interest and the amount when. I am going to take the first. Principal is given rupees 6,400, rate is given 6% per annum, and time is 2 years. Let's see how we have to do it. In the given part, you have seen here principal is given rupees 6,400, rate is 6% per annum, and time is 2 years. We have to need to find the simple interest and the amount. So simple interest its formula is P into R into T upon 100. P put its value 6,400 into R, its value 6 into T. T is 2 years upon 100. Cut the 0, multiply the remaining part, you will get rupees 768 as the simple interest. Now the next we have to find amount. Formula is P plus I, that is principal plus interest. So principal is given 6,400 plus interest, how much we have to get, 768. Add it, you will get rupees 7,168. At last you have to write therefore simple interest equal to rupees 768 and amount is equal to rupees 7,168 as your answer. Now the next question, find the time when. Let's see sixth part. Principal is given rupees 6,400, simple interest is given 1,152 rupees and rate is 6% per annum. Let's see how we have to do. In the given part, you have given that P in principal, that is P equal to rupees 6,400, SI, that is simple interest, equal to rupees 1,152 and rate is equal to 6% per annum, and we have to need to find the time. So formula for finding the time is equal to 100 into SI upon P into R. 100 into SI is given, put its value, upon P is given, into R. R is also given. Cut it. You will get 3 years. Therefore, time equal to 3 years as your answer. Now next question, find the rate when. Question number 9. Principal is given rupees 8,250. SI is rupees 1,100 and time is 2 years. Let's see how we have to do. Question 9, its solution. Principal is given rupees 8,250. SI is equal to rupees 1,100 and time is equal to 2 years. We need to find the rate. So for finding the rate, its formula is R equal to 100 into SI upon P into T. 100 into SI given, put its value, upon P is given, into T is given, 2, put its value, cut it, you will get 20 upon 3%. It is in improper, so convert this into mixed, become 6 whole 2 upon 3% per annum. So therefore rate is equal to 6 whole 2 upon 3% per annum as your final answer. Next question I am going to take, that is question number 12. Shanta borrowed rupees 6,000 from the State Bank of India for 3 years, 8 months at 12% per annum. What amount will clear off her debt? We have to need to find the amount. Let's see how we have to do. First of all, you have seen here, borrowed is given, that means this will be your principal, this will be your time, and this will be your rate. Let's see how we have to find the amount now. Solution of the question 12. In the given part, you have to write the principal equal to rupees 6,000, that is borrowed. Time is 3 years, 8 months. Unit different. Convert this into year. So in 1 year, how many months? 12. So 8 is divided by 12, then it becomes in year. So cut it, 4 twos are 4 threes are. So what you have to get, 3, 2 upon 3 years. It is in mixed. Convert this into improper, 3 3 is 9 plus 2, 11 upon 3 years. This will be your what? Time. Rate is given 12% per annum. First of all, we have to find the simple interest. Why? Because you know that for finding the amount, we have to need the principal plus interest also. So first of all, we have to find the interest. So simple interest is formula is P into R into T upon 100. Now put its value. P is 6,000. Rate is 12 into time is 11 upon 3. 11 upon 3 multiply 100. Now cut the 0, cut the 3 1 the 3 4 the 12. Now multiply the remaining part, you will get rupees 2,640. What is this? This is an interest. Now we have to find the amount. Formula is principal plus interest. Principal is given. Interest we have to find. Add it. You will get rupees 8,640. At last, you have to write thus the amount will be rupees 8,640 to clear off her debt is your final answer. Next question I am going to take is 16. A sum of money put a 11% per annum amounts to rupees 4,491 in 2 years 3 months. What will it amount to in 3 years at the same rate? At the same rate in 3 years, what your amount will be? Let's see how we have to do it. Solution of the question 16. In the given part, you have to write amount because here you have seen amounts is written amounts to. So this will be your amount. Rupees 4,491 is your amount. Rate is 11% per annum. Time is 2 years 3 months. Time is 2 years 3 months. Unit different. Make it same unit. In 1 year, 12 months are there. So make this in year, divide by 12, become 3 1 ja 3 4 ja. It become 2 whole 1 upon 4. Convert this into improper. So 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 9 upon 4 years. This will be your time. Principal is not given. So first of all, we have to find the principal from the first part. So let the principal or sum is written. B rupees X, both are same meaning. Now you know that amount, how you get the amount, principal plus interest. So for finding the principal, what we have to do, amount minus interest. So amount minus interest. So first of all, we have to find the interest. So use the formula for finding the interest. Simple interest is P into R into T upon 100. P we have to take as P into rate is given 11 into time is 9 upon 4 upon 100. Multiply 11 9 are 99. P upon 4 into 100 400. Now amount is given, so put its value 4491 minus we have to find the interest, so 99p upon 400 as your interest. Put its value. Now what we have to do, here is a p and here is a p. Take it one place. P here is a minus, so it become now plus 99p upon 400 equal to this 4491 because it's a single, so remove at a one place. Now take the LCM, equivalent the numerator equal to 4491. Now add the numerator 499p upon 400 equal to 4491. Now cross multiply, we have to take as 1. It become like this. Now we have to find the p. Here what you have seen, it is in multiplication form. It become in division form. Now it will go up by 9 times. Multiply it, you will get rupees 3600. What is your principal? This will be what? Your principal. Now we have to find its second part. We get the principal rupees 3600. Rate is same rate, that is 11%, and now time is become 3 years, so take 3 years. We have to find what amount, what will be it amount, so we have to find the amount. So for finding the amount, its formula is p plus I. So first of all, we have to find the I, that is interest. So simple interest, its formula is P into R into T upon 100. Put its value, P we have to get 3600 into R 11 into T is 3 years. Have you seen here? Upon 100, cut it, multiply it, you will get rupees 1188 as your interest. Now we have to find the amount. Use the formula P plus I, principal plus interest. Rupees principal is given 3600 plus interest we have to get rupees 1188. Add it, you will get rupees 4788. At last you have to write thus it will amount to rupees 4788 in 3 years at the same rate. This will be your final answer. Have you understand all the process? First of all, we have to find the principal. With using this principal, we have to find the amount of the remaining part, which are asking in the question. Now the next question which I am going to take is question 20. In what time will rupees 5600 amount to rupees 6720 at 8% per annum? So what is given? Amount to, that means this will be your amount, this will be your rate. And what is this? This is not the time. So this will be, we have to take principal. Okay, let's see how we have to do. In the given part, you have to write principal is given rupees 5600, amount is given rupees 6720, and rate is equal to 8% per annum. You know that for finding the amount, its formula is principal plus interest. Principal and amount is given. We have to find the interest. For finding the interest, the formula should be amount minus principal. Use this formula, put its value. Rupees amount is this one 6720 minus principal 5600. You will get rupees 1120. What? Interest. After that, what we have to find? Time. So use the formula for finding the time is equal to 100 into SI upon P into R. 100 into what your SI, that is interest, should be rupees 1120 upon principal is 5600 into rate is given, that is 8. Cut it, you will get 5 upon 2. It is an improper. So convert this into mixed to whole 1 upon 2 years. Why years? Because we have to need to find the time, and time always in years. At last you have to write thus the required time is 2 whole 1 upon 2 years as your final answer. Like this, you have to do the remaining questions as an homework by your own. Thank you.